Hi guys, now we're gonna do the day 48 from the 100 Days of Cloud AWS series. So in this lab, we're gonna have to do the automating infrastructure deployment using the AWS CloudFormation template, right? So here we're gonna do wait a few seconds, and then let me go to appdraw.com. Okay, so here we will read this given instruction first, and then we're gonna do step by step. So this is a little bit similar from the previous lab yesterday. So okay, here the nautilus-lambda needs to implement a Lambda function. So to create a Lambda function, we need to have a CloudFormation template. So without having CloudFormation template, we cannot, we cannot create a Lambda function. Okay. So here on the AWS client host, we have to create the CloudFormation template, and then we have to configure it to create the following components. So here the below the stack name is we have to create a nautilus-lambda-app, and after that we have to create the Lambda function. So within the template we have to define the Lambda function. Okay, so for the runtime, this is a Lambda function name. For the runtime, we're gonna use Python. So for the function, we're gonna bring the body string, welcome to KKE AWS Labs, and then we're gonna make to ensure the status code is 200. So here the key point is we are creating a Lambda function. So without having IAM rule policies, we cannot execute the Lambda function. That's why we need to define an IAM rule for this lab. So here is the IAM rule name. So let me create this YAML file with a Vim editor. So here we have to write the YAML code, but I don't write it line by line. So I will copy all of these given instructions, specifications. So I will find in the Google Chrome. So we're gonna use this AI overview response, but we have to check it again to be much more accurate. So I will paste right here. So what do you have to face here? We have to modify the correct name here. This is a correct. So this is the rule name is correct. So this is a version, date, and effect is allowed. But for the principal service, I need to replace with the correct name. So this is not correct. There has to be lambda, L-A-M-B-D-A lambda.amazon.aws.com. Here we get to manage policy ARM value. That's correct. So below we have to create a Lambda function. So Lambda function name is here, nautilus-lambda. Here we apply the Python 3.11. So here we need to point out the correct Lambda execution rule ARM value here, this one. Okay, so here this is the handler, Python handler function. So within the function, we're gonna print the body string here, welcome to KKE AWS Labs. So that's correct. So now let me escape from here and save it. So I had to apply this CloudFormation template, and then we're gonna create the stack. So stack name is here, nautilus-lambda-app. So now I'm gonna run this command. Okay, so let me check the status. Okay, let me check it out. Okay, so that is currently now in the creating progress. We had to wait a few seconds again here. So and after that, let me check the how to get the response output from Lambda function with output.txt. Let me catch with this. So now we check it again for the status. Okay, so now we get the correct response here, create completed. So Yeah, that sounds great. So now let me check their response. And here using this command, can I run that? So output.txt. Okay. We output dot you can get. Okay, wait. I had to apply this, and then I wait. And this format is correct. No, it is not correct. Okay, we had to use these signs. Okay, so let me run this. This this is not correct argument, you know. So please don't use C-align binary format for immediate format. I don't need this. Okay, we're gonna use this. So I will run that again. Here also invalid request contention. What is mean? Is 30. Okay, I will run. I will remove this. I don't need this. Okay. Okay, so finally we get the response right here from the Lambda function. Alright, so that's it. So, but when you create that your YAML file, you need to give the correct name here, nautilus-lambda.yml, like this correct name here. Okay, oh here, sorry, here. So okay, let me check it out. Click confirm. Yeah, that's it. So if I can do successfully, you can also do it, sir. I definitely trust you. So I will catch you later again. So I will start my lab here. No issue faced. Submit.